he is a local councillor. He has some
Yes.
responsibility towards.
He has some responsibility. How many writ petitions against how many illegalities has he filed?
Lordship, regarding this nursing home.
There are many illegalities going on in your constituency. How many writ petitions have you filed against how many people? Is he earning pension or something? Where from does he get the finance to do all these things?
And flouting the fire safety norms, Lordship. I have made the complaints to the DG Fire, Lordship, but that has not been considered, for which I have came up before your Lordship. Now, Lordship, according
The cause of action arose somewhere in Purva Mendipur.
but Lordship,
And you are filing the writ
Lordship,
petition on the
Lordship,
original
because
side.
Lordship, the DG Fire office of the DG Fire is within the jurisdiction of original site, Lordship. Who is the responsible person for issuing the fire safety certificate, Lordship? Here,
There is no divisional fire officer there at Purva Mendipur.
that is there, but
Then?
he is not entitled, Lordship. Only the DG Fire Safety is entitled to issue fire safety certificate, Lordship. Here, technical expert committee has issued the fire safety
The
certificate.
divisional
Lordship.
forest officer is not a technical
No, Lordship,
expert.
according to them, Lordship, they are stating that the DG Fire is the only person who is responsible and who is
saying and where it is being
Lordship,
said?
this is the fire certificate which has been issued by technical expert committee, Lordship. They are stating that technical expert committee has issued fire safety certificate, Lordship. Page 60.
17th of no, page 60 is something information under the application. Is
Yes,
it,
my lord. Here they are saying, and the next page is 61, Lordship, which is the certificate, actual certificate.
Yes.
And Lordship, kindly come to page 63. My lord, kindly come to page 63 once.
63.
63, Lordship.
Yes.
Or it is government notification, Lordship, whereas the technical expert committee was constituted by such and such for recommendation to DG regarding issue of fire safety certificate license. And in the third paragraph, it is stated that whereas the matter of further constitution of separate technical expert committee having jurisdiction over adjacent districts, such and such, and that district DG for issuance of fire safety certificate, technical expert committee is only to recommend. They will inspect and they will recommend to from the Director General West Bengal Fire Service Emergency Services certifying about the satisfactory certificate. No one else can issue this.
Particular municipality maintaining bringing writ petition after it. This is second writ petition. One is already pending for the same cause of action.
Yes. No,
in the appellate
Lordship, I have mentioned in my writ petition, Lordship.
This is my report.
It is already mentioned in my
Does
writ
he
petition.
deny?
That is regarding.
Does
I am not denying, because I have mentioned in my writ petition that
1 minute.
application is.
Let him make his submission. Yes.
Well, firstly, my lord, his locus kindly sees.
Hmm.
He is a sitting council. Kindly see locus in para 1 of your lordship's brief. He is claiming to be the, my lord, the councillor of the Tamrolipto municipality. So, my lord, cause of action, my lordship knows my agreed person in an adversarial litigation. How does it come within the, my lord, definition of agreed person? Maybe pill. My lord, agreed person, my lord, lordship knows, my lord, kindly sees, my lord. First, my lord, on the point of maintainability, then I shall enter into the merit if you allow.
Why did you file the writ petition?
Lordship, pardon.
What was the reason for filing the writ petition?
Lordship, in my word, Lordship, the nursing home is running without having proper fire safety license. Number one, and number two, the approach
So
road they are saying, Lordship.
Being a public spirited individual, you filed the writ petition.
Lordship.
Why individual in this capacity as a writ and not as a public interest litigation?
Lordship, regarding this only this nursing home only, Lordship, that is my Lordship.
You are a member of the public, you are a representative of the public. If you see that some illegal thing is going on, you can always a public interest litigation. Why have you come? Something else is going in the mind of the court. There must be specific reason. There must be some something between the two of y'all for which the writ petition has been filed.
No, my lord.
There's
nothing else, my lord.
Who is spending money for this writ petition?
Lordship, the councillor himself.
Himself. What personal interest does he have?
Lordship, he is a local councillor. He has some responsibility towards.
He has some responsibility. How many writ petitions against how many illegalities has he filed?
Lordship, regarding this nursing home.
There are many illegalities going on in your constituency. How many writ petitions have you filed against how many people? Give a list and then I will entertain this writ petition.
These are only 2 writ petitions, my lord.
Why against only one person, 2 writ petition? There is no other illegality going on in your constituency.
Yes, my lord, but that does not mean, Lordship, these cannot be overlooked, my lord.
It can. Why is so, what is so special over here that it has to be looked
Lordship,
so
kindly
separately?
come to come to page
I will
75,
go into
Lordship.
the merits
Kindly
later
see-
on.
Well, kindly come to page 75,
Please come.
Lordship. That the road, my lord, the
We
width
check
road,
the earlier writ petition, my lord, in the my lord online.
73, my lord.
186.
This is for licensing, cancellation of the license.
18620
Ah,
of 2023 appellate. Same prayer.
same.
No, so cancellation of the license from health.
Here also
health
kindly
department.
cancellation, kindly see the prayer. Eh?
Because that
What
type
does he want?
my lord.
Cancel the fire safety license, not to operate, forthwith transmit all records. What does the person do for his living?
Lordship, that I have to take.
By
instruction.
professional politics, kindly sees the
Oh, he has mentioned
affidavit.
He is a retired
Ah.
person, my lord.
retired person.
My lord.
By profession,
What did he do earlier? Was he engaged somewhere?
my lord, earlier writ petition prayer.
He was working at a jute mill as a personal officer, I am told.
All right. Is he earning pension or something? Where from does he get the finance to do all these things?
I have to take instruction.
You have to take instruction. Very well.
May pray is earlier.
Kindly see once, my lord, 73 lakh. This is only 8 feet which the nursing home is operating, my lord, whereas according to rule 12-meter road has to be there, my lord. But still they have issued that fire
You
safety
say
license.
that there is a fire safety license.
Yes, he is willing to pay, praying for cancellation.
There is a
Lordship.
he may pray for a lot of things, but
Lordship,
what is the stand of the state? That the respondent authority, the private respondent is functioning properly in accordance with law?
Lordship,
Let me
kindly,
see.
my lord, may I respectfully hand over, my lord. Minute, lord. Second paragraph, Lordship.
Hmm.
FSC was conditional.
Yes.
At page, my lord, 5 is the conditional certificate. Page 5, my lord, kindly sees that is a conditional.
Hmm.
That conditions have been fulfilled. Which appears, my lord,
and the authority have to remove the roof
from page 7.
in the previous department sanction within 3 months. In this condition, just complied with the condition, removed the encroachment and informed. In this regard, understand that the earlier case is also pending. Clarifying, which has not been disposed of. Fire officer, Paschim Medinipur and Jhargram division. It will লিখে দেবেন তো additional charge such and such dated 21st April 2025. Stuff. The petitioner has averred in the writ petition that he is Board of Councillors of Tamrolipto Municipality. So he prays for a direction upon the state respondents to cancel the fire safety certificate issued in favor of the private respondent. Stuff. Paragraph. The report of the divisional fire officer mentions that the private respondent does have a fire safety certificate. Stuff. The recommendation made by the technical expert committee has been complied with by the private respondent. Stop. A separate writ petition in the appellate side being WPA 18620 of 2023 filed by the petitioner against the same private respondent is pending in the list of this bench for disposal. Stuff. Next. Let both the writ petitions appear in the list on 14th